The experience of traveling by car was eye-opening. I never expected it to offer so much. As I explored more, I came to see the Balkans as more than just a group of countries. They are a testament to resilience and diversity. This journey hasn't just opened my eyes, it's deepened my understanding of the human experience. And now I understand why they're often called Europe's best-kept secret.
Let us introduce ourselves. My son's a Borgenhus, Sweden, living in Spain, Mallorca. And this is the son I never had, Victor Bana.
I was born in Venezuela, so actually I know what hell is.
And this is so close we can come to hell. We're here for the joy of life and to enjoy it and have a good time. And we're not really here to try to make a good race, we just to enjoy. So I think you're going to find us more in the time coming.
Hi guys, my name is Tommy Ivek and this is my wife Ava. Expectations, have fun, be safe, and enjoy everything that we're doing. Hang out with friends, meet some new friends, and this will be great.
In Belgrade, you feel the pull of the past and the thrill of the present all at once. This city isn't just a place, it's a vibrant blend of history, culture, and the unbreakable spirit of its people. Around every corner, there's a new chapter waiting, drawing you into the stories that make Belgrade remarkably vibrant. This day was incredibly tough. From the moment we woke up, rain poured non-stop, soaking everything, while the mountains loomed above, their peaks hidden in a cold mist that gave us all chills. The harsh conditions shattered any illusion about an easy journey. Every single step of the way is just something new, something eye-opening, whether it's, take a car that really likes a spirited drive-through and push it around a little, have some fun, the mountains, the landscape, whatever it may be, each leg is a prettier drive than the next. I mean, this is just remarkable. I'm so happy to be here.
Okay. Ce qu'il nous faut pour commencer, c'est une poêle bien profonde, à feu très doux, vous en verrez, 3 gousses d'ail en offrande, une cuillère en bois est nécessaire pour ne rien rayer du fond de la poêle, à saisir lentement, longanise, boudin, l'art et gourmandise. Et retirer sans trop tarder 4 verres de semoule du fer doré dans un verre d'eau les séparer. 2 heures seront nécessaires pour qu'apparaissent les boulettes. Continuez de remuer. Continuez de remuer. Vous l'entendez, c'est bientôt l'heure d'arrêter. Coupez le gaz, montez le son et servez vos migasses de nuit.
In this magical place, it feels as if time had stood still. The heart of it remains untouched by the rush of modern life, with traditions and customs that echo the past, showing us the beauty of simplicity and connection. It reminds us that some things, like love, friendship, and shared experiences, stay the same no matter how much time passes.